This is really an amazing learning opportunity. Not only are the students working from 9 to 5 as a classroom experience Monday through Friday, but they're also living together. They're also getting to know each other quite well.
My class in ecology, we're meeting for lectures generally in the morning for maybe an hour, hour and a half. Then we'll generally go outside and look at some natural examples of the things we're talking about, maybe take some instruments out and make some measurements. We'll also take field trips on different days. So we're kind of doing a lot of different stuff. The nice thing is that we can be immersed in it that whole time.
Not only are you reading about photosynthesis and respiration, but you're actually seeing it happen outside, and it makes you connect more to the material that you're learning.
I really enjoy taking a class at LUREC because it's a chance to get out in the field more than you do in the city.
Being in the city is amazing, but you don't get the opportunity to do too much field work kind of stuff. So I was really excited to kind of come out here and learn some very practical, very good skills for my future career.
With many of our classes at the School of Environmental Sustainability, we are trying to get our students jobs. I have literally talked to my colleagues and professional contacts around the region to think about what skills they would want to see if they were going to hire their students.
It's been nice to take classes at SCS at Lakeshore campus and then put those skills to use here and be able to do that hands-on practical, something that I'm going to be maybe able to use at a job.
We have the opportunity for socializing. We do other fun activities beyond just the course that we are going to be giving here at LUREC.
My favorite sort of social aspect of LUREC has been just getting to be with the same group of people over and over.
We have a lot of opportunities to really bond with our classmates and even our professors and kind of learn off of each other, which I think is really special.
As an instructor, this is a really rewarding way to teach students. I see students connecting ideas, coming alive. It's a great generative space.
The experience of just being at LUREC is something that you're not going to find almost anywhere else.
Most of our students that come in their final year, they wish they would have taken these classes in their freshman and sophomore year because they could then have more opportunities to take these summer classes.
It's a completely different experience. It's a different learning environment, and with the friends that you make, learning is easier and fun.